Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Delaware Tax Portal for business filings, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Delaware Division of Revenue website. Look for the Delaware Tax Portal link on the home page. Click on the link to enter the tax portal. Once on the portal page, locate the login section. You will find options for both individual and business authentication. Choose the business authentication option. Input your business credentials, such as your business name and federal employer identification number. Make sure that all information matches what is on file with the Division of Revenue. After entering your information, click on the Continue button. If it's your first time logging in, you may need to set up a secure access account. Follow the prompts to create your account if needed. You will be asked to verify your identity through a secondary authentication method. This may include answering security questions or sending a verification code to your email or phone. Complete the verification process as prompted. Once logged in, you will have access to your business filings and payment options. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout for easier navigation. Locate the specific section for business filings within the portal. Select the filing type you need to complete. Fill out all required fields accurately to ensure compliance. Double-check all information before submitting your filing. If applicable, upload any necessary documents as part of your filing. Review any applicable fees associated with your filing. Once everything is in order, submit your filing. You should receive a confirmation notification upon successful submission. Keep a record of this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the help section on the portal for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.